Are you feeling overwhelmed? With the pressures of daily life, it's easy to lose sight of what truly matters. Anxiety, stress, and endless to-do lists can create a fog, making it hard to focus and feel fulfilled. But what if I told you that just 5 minutes could change your entire day? Today, we'll explore 5 simple yet powerful mindfulness practices that you can integrate into your life, helping you reclaim your peace, clarity, and joy. Let's dive in. Our first practice is deep breathing. Often, we underestimate its power. When we're stressed, our breath becomes shallow, which can lead to heightened anxiety. So, let's try a quick exercise. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4. Hold it for 4. And now exhale slowly through your mouth for 6. Feel the tension melting away with each breath. Repeat this for a few cycles. This practice not only calms your mind, but also enhances your focus, making you more present in your life. Next, we have mindful observation. This practice encourages you to immerse yourself in the present moment. Find a small object around you, a flower, a cup, or even a piece of fruit. Spend a minute examining it. Notice its colors, textures, and even its scent. This simple act draws your attention away from worries and into the now. The urgency of our busy lives can blind us to the beauty around us. Take a moment today to reconnect with your surroundings and notice the little things. It's a small shift that brings immense clarity. Now, let's talk about gratitude journaling. It's easy to focus on what's wrong in our lives, especially when challenges arise. But practicing gratitude shifts your perspective. Take 5 minutes each day to jot down 3 things you're grateful for. They can be as simple as a warm cup of tea or a friendly smile. This practice not only boosts your mood, but also enhances your overall well-being. Remember, fear often comes from a lack of appreciation for what we have. Gratitude is a powerful antidote, transforming anxiety into excitement for the day ahead. Next up is body scan meditation. This is a fantastic way to reconnect with your body and release stored tension. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and bring your awareness to your feet. Gradually move up through your body, noticing any sensations or tightness. Allow yourself to breathe into those areas, releasing tension as you exhale. This practice creates an immediate sense of relaxation and helps you become more attuned to your body's needs, empowering you to make healthier choices. Lastly, let's embrace the healing power of nature. Even if you can't step outside, visualize a natural setting, a beach, forest, or mountain. Spend 5 minutes imagining the sights, sounds, and feelings associated with being in nature. This practice taps into our innate connection to the earth, helping to reduce stress and elevate our mood. In our fast-paced world, it's essential to remember that nature can ground us, providing a sense of peace and clarity. Let this connection inspire you to seek moments of tranquility in your daily life. You now have 5 simple mindfulness practices that can transform your day in just 5 minutes. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to explore more on our channel, where we delve deeper into mindfulness techniques. Together, let's cultivate a healthier, wealthier life filled with joy and peace. Thank you for watching, and take care.